Today we study about the accessory glands of the male reproductive system of human. There are three accessory glands, that is seminal vesicles, prostate gland and Cowper's gland. You see here, these are the seminal vesicles. You see here, this one and this one. These are the seminal vesicles. This one is the prostate gland, and here at the lateral side of the penis presents the Cowper's gland. These glands secrete alkaline fluid with fructose, citric acid, amino acid, and secretion of these glands mixes with sperms and forms the semen. So first about the seminal vesicle. You see here, this one, these are a pair of seminal vesicle. These are a pair of seminal vesicles which are white or cream colored. The color of this one is the cream or white, present on either side of the base of urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. At the base of urinary bladder, these are present. They open into vasa differentia. You see here, this is the vasa differentia. There, these are opens by short duct and forms a common ejaculatory duct. Here, the duct is present called as the ejaculatory duct. You see here, this one, these are the ejaculatory duct. They secrete a viscous alkaline yellowish fluid rich with fructose, and it keeps sperms healthy, alive, and it serves as a vehicle for transport of the sperms. Second gland is the prostate gland. You see here, this one is the prostate gland. It surrounds urethra just below the urinary bladder, which is present around the urethra and present at the base of the urinary bladder. It consists connective tissue, smooth muscles, and glandular epithelial cells. It opens into urethra by small ductules. It secretes prostate fluid, which is colorless and alkaline. It contains citric acid, calcium, and enzymes. It has odors. It activates sperms to increase the motility and fertility of the sperms and protect the sperms from the acidic secretion of female vagina and add a bulk of semen and liquefies the semen. So this is the main function of the prostate gland. And third gland is the Cowper's gland at the lateral side of the penis in inner region. These are the Cowper's gland. It is also paired yellowish glands present at the base of the penis. They open into the urethra by short ductals. They secrete a clear mucus-like fluid which lubricate the passage during the copulation. It consists of amino acid and proteins. Okay, this is about the accessory glands of male reproductive system. Thank you.